Hi, this is Andy Durrant from Race Technology. We've had a few questions come in from customers asking about the registration of the GoPro software, so I thought it was worth doing a quick video just to show how things work. Just as a side note, I'm just doing this at my desk in the office, so there is some background noise, so sorry for that. Okay, so I've just installed the GoPro software on my desktop, so if we click here, you can see, so this is just a brand new installation. You can see you've got the data analysis software, the video export layout designer, and the video joining software. And you can see down here it says register now, so it's not been registered up to this point, so this has just been installed. So if I try to run any of the applications, so for example analysis, I click on there, and you can see that to register this software it's asking us to enter our email address. So I can either enter my email address here and then register the software, or I can register later. So there's a timeout on the register later button. Initially when you first install it, it takes 5 seconds to appear, and then every week that it stays uninstalled, that timeout increases by 10 seconds. So that allows you to download, install and evaluate the software and make sure it does what you want, make sure you like it. But at some point then either you have to register it or the timeout's going to drive you slightly mad. Okay, so in this case let's skip the registration. I'll just click on register later, and as you can see the software just starts up as normal. So it's not crippled in any way. This is the full version. You can load up your GoPro video, you can do the data analysis, you can export, you can join videos and everything else. Okay, so that's skipping the registration. So if I shut down the software, if I click on data analysis again, and this time I'll register. So you can see it's asking us to enter our email address, so I'll enter my email address, technology.com. Okay, now I've entered my email address. You can see the button that allows us to buy the registration code. That is now enabled, so I can click on that. It's now warning us that it's sending some data to our Race Technology server, so click OK to proceed. And now that's opened an Explorer window. So to purchase the standalone license, it costs $59. To purchase, click on Continue. So click Continue. And now it's taking us to PayPal. So in my case I already have a PayPal account, and as you can see my browser's actually remembered the details of my PayPal account, so I can just click on login. So if you don't have the details on your account at this point, it's going to ask you either to log into your PayPal account, or if you don't have a PayPal account, then you can just enter your credit card details. So, but in my case it's easy. I'll just click on login, and then waiting for PayPal to respond. Okay, so I can click on my payment method. That looks fine, so I just click continue, and a final confirmation screen, and again continue. And that takes us back to the Race Technology page, and it's just saying one final click just to complete the purchase. So I click here. Okay, so that's the purchase complete, and as the screen says, so it's completed. Check your email for an activation pin. So I'm just, you can't see it because it's off, it's on a different computer screen, but I've just received an email from Race Technology, and the email reads as, many thanks for registering your Race Technology software, and your PIN number is blah 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 blah. So I'll copy that, paste it into the registration screen. So it says if you've already received a email PIN number, enter it here. So I've just pasted it there, and now I can click on the register now button. So register now, and get a final confirmation, thank you for registering the software. So I'll say OK. Okay, and the software starts up as normal, so I can use that. And just to demonstrate that it's been registered, there's a few things. So we can click on analysis, and now you can see it starts up without any delay or any prompts or nag screens or anything else. Also, if we shut the software down, reopen the launcher, you can see that it displays registered, so you know it's already been registered, so there's no action to take there. Okay, so there's a few additional notes. Like I say, if you choose not to register it, you can still download the software, evaluate it, use it. It's not crippled in any way, but you will get the nag screen, and that nag screen takes longer and longer to disappear. The license, the PIN number that's sent to you is locked both to the email address you supply and the PC hardware. So that PIN code will only work for the computer that you've just registered it on. So you can use lots of GoPro cameras with one bit of software, so there's no link between the GoPro camera and the software. But there is a link between the software and your PC, so you're only buying one installation. We've also had a few customers asking about upgrades and so on, and whether this is a recurring charge. So this is a one-off license charge for version 10. So we're not going to, it's not an annual subscription or a monthly subscription or anything else, and it will entitle you to update to version 10. There may be a further charge when version 11 comes out, and so an obvious question is, well, how long are you buying the software for? And honestly, we don't have any plans for version 11 at this stage. What I can say is the last version of the software, which was 8.5, was available and supported on our website for about 5 years. So it's not something that we're looking to change in the near future. Okay, so hopefully that answers some of your questions. If I've missed anything out or you would like some additional information, then please email us in the office. The best email address to get us on for this kind of stuff is gopro@race-technology.com. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.